Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply multiple video animations at once to your videos in CapCut PC. So I have this, there's this video here. So if you selected animation, you can only add one of each animation. For instance, this rock vertically one I can add, but I cannot add another one. And then for the out one, I want to add, for instance, let's see. I want to add in the mini zoom one. And then I want to add in another animation of the in and out one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and I'm going to select create compound clip, or you're going to press Alt G on your keyboard. And then you'll be able to add in another animation. So go to the in animation. For instance, you want to add mini zoom, or maybe the shake one, or this one, or that one. Whichever one you want, it will add both of the animations because we created it as a compound clip. So let's see if there's a blur one. Is there or no? Like the zoom out one. So it will add two of these animations, and for instance, I have the mini zoom at the end and I want to add a fade out. It will also give me a fade out and a mini zoom animation. And that is how you can add multiple video animations to your videos in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!